Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joe Chavez. Welcome to MachineStation. We buy, sell, and trade CNC machinery of all kind. Today we have an Okuma ESV-4020 for you today. I'm going to go ahead and list all the specs and dimensions down below. Like usual, if I miss anything, feel free to let me know. Give me a call. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. Here's the close-up of the control, guys. Okuma OSP-U10M Control. Do a quick wraparound for you, getting the inside as well. So the tool changer for the inside here. Wrap around the side. There you have it, guys. That's the Okuma ESV-4020. If you want to see anything else, any more in-depth photos, pictures, videos, feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600. Before a quote, more information, visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us. Guys, enjoy the video, like the machine. Feel free to drop a comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.